Starting the M1 Abrams tank engine sounds kinda like a fighter jet. Sounds amazing, so let me explain why. You see, Abrams sounds like a jet engine because it's actually powered by a Honeywell AGT1500 gas turbine engine with max output of crazy 1,500 horsepower. And yeah, it's typically used in jet aircraft. This type of engine is much lighter than usual diesel engines, weighing only 1.1 tons. And it can operate on gasoline, diesel, and of course, jet fuel. This combination of power and lightweight allows Abrams to effortlessly move on any terrain and have thicker armor without losing out on speed.